El Negrito on deck to serve. Good pass. Drop ball from Acuna. Negrito will choose Bernadette Pons and she scores. Bernadette Pons, 1 point behind Erica Staunton.
Combination, block, and it's out. Bea serve, sails in cleanly, received by Catindig. Galanza, strong arms. Excellent pace by Pons on the quick set. She has 18.
Always make sure na maganda yung contact niya sa bola. That's why ang lilinis ng mga angulo ni Bernadette Pons, even if it was already out of...
Bea De Leon and company have a 3-point lead here in the fourth. Again, Catindig receiving. This is a drop. No whistle, we play on. Dive by Michelle. Pons, 2 in a row, and that's 19 for Bernadette Pons.
I mentioned this earlier, very difficult to read.
Hindi kasi tapik lang eh.
In the past few games, feather-like lagi yung drop ball, but this time around,
May baon eh.
power tip eh.
Here's Cayuna. Down the middle. And down the middle, but swinging right.
Against the single block, that's a big no-no.
Galanza serving. Perez. Staunton. Negrito. Good pace. Pons is right there. Pons now beginning to feel very good with 21.
Yung mastery ng angles ng isang Bernadette Pons. Look at that.
Sessner serve. Out of reach, and Bernadette Pons continues to just score. Signal 2 is up, and you can't do anything about it.
Another potential